Can you lift the sofa a little? I can't get the vacuum under.
Yeah, hold on. Okay, try now.
Thanks. Wow, it's really dusty back here.
I figured. We haven't cleaned under there in months.
Yeah, I know. The vacuum keeps getting stuck.
Want me to push it in from the other side?
No, it's all right. I think I got it.
Careful, don't hit your head.
Too late.
Oh, sorry.
It's fine. Just move the sofa a bit more?
Sure. Okay, that should be enough.
Thanks.
What's back there? Anything weird?
Mostly dust. A lot of it.
Sounds about right.
Oh, wait. There's a pen.
My pen?
I don't know. Could be from anyone.
Probably mine. I lose pens every day.
Here. Want it?
Nah, just toss it.
Okay.
Did it suck up something big?
Yeah, maybe a wrapper or something.
As long as the vacuum doesn't die.
I hope not. This thing was expensive.
Yeah, tell me about it.
Can you lift it again? I need to get the back corner.
Yep, 1 sec. All right, go.
Almost done.
Let me know if you need help.
I mean, you could take over.
I can. Want me to?
No, I'm already here.
Okay.
All right, I think that's it. Looks clean.
Nice, finally.
Yeah, my shoulders hurt now.
Same. Let's take a break. Yeah, hold on. Okay, try now. I figured. We haven't cleaned under there in months. Want me to push it in from the other side? Careful, don't hit your head. Oh, sorry. Sure. Okay, that should be enough. What's back there? Anything weird? Sounds about right. My pen? Probably mine. I lose pens every day. Nah, just toss it. Did it suck up something big? As long as the vacuum doesn't die. Yeah, tell me about it. Yep, 1 sec. All right, go. Let me know if you need help. I can. Want me to? Okay. Nice, finally. Same. Let's take a break.
Can you lift the sofa a little? I can't get the vacuum under. Thanks. Wow, it's really dusty back here. Yeah, I know. The vacuum keeps getting stuck. No, it's all right. I think I got it. Too late. It's fine. Just move the sofa a bit more? Thanks. Mostly dust. A lot of it. Oh, wait. There's a pen. I don't know. Could be from anyone. Here. Want it? Okay. Yeah, maybe a wrapper or something. I hope not. This thing was expensive. Can you lift it again? I need to get the back corner. Almost done. I mean, you could take over. No, I'm already here. All right, I think that's it. Looks clean. Yeah, my shoulders hurt now.